Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing hardware and app, update station firmware, charge above 50%, and mount your phone tightly. Once paired, open Call of Duty Mobile and allow sensor permissions so inputs register. Next, enable controller support and map essential buttons. Make sure aiming, fire, and movement are assigned. Calibrate the gyroscope in the station app to reduce drift. These steps lock in reliable input, so you avoid surprises when you begin matches. Now, you're ready to proceed into deeper configuration. Once done with basic mapping, you tune sensitivity so your aim feels natural. Lower stick dead zones reduce lag but increase twitch, so use 0. 0, 5 to 0. 12 as a starting point. You should adjust gyro strength and smoothing, then immediately test in the training range to observe recoil compensation and fine-tune. Make button remaps for ADS, crouch, and melee, and create 2 profiles, one for SMGs, one for snipers, so swapping is instant. This detailed mid-stage work makes play consistent and precise. You finish by saving profiles to the station and confirming the correct profile loads when Call of Duty Mobile launches. This prevents accidental remaps. Next, play a 10 to 15-minute live session to validate sensitivity, recoil control, and button placement under real conditions. If you encounter input lag, misfires, or drift, first reset calibration, repair Bluetooth, and check for firmware updates. These fixes resolve most problems. If issues persist, swap to the alternate profile and test again to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.